Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at our day. Uh, an hour. Yeah. Um, Oil comes to, it is right at the level, unvolumed. Moscow. Yes, something is wrong with Russian index. Um, that's basically the trade. But after this volume, only something short. And by the way, we broke even, so only something short. It's a big volume. United States dollars against ruble. There's a break. Spider. IWM. Close below. Qs. Was it the trade on Dow Jones? Is this volume? I don't think so. This volume doesn't mean we have to short. We can short, but it also um, disqualifies the daily long swing. I should have been broken even on my magnet short on both of them. Yeah, bottom back, for better or worse. Because on daily that wasn't the level, on hourly we broke above it. So I'm back to square one. Um, my break even is 4965. 65. Yeah, good. Good, back to square one. Can go, but this thing didn't confirm, and on daily, of course. That's the previous two too. EGM. Caterpillar was slow, but was a trade. I wouldn't be able to identify that anyways. Um, This thing popped. Uh, yeah, see, that wasn't a good idea. Um, this, however, was a one um, bar reversal. Such a crazy volume, but a good volume. Yeah, but a good volume. And then volume spring test. And that was a trade. Um, good on hourly high, but I think good. Where's my DTM? I know. Which stock was it? And you say, anyhow, never mind me. um, I'm, I'm talking gibberish, speaking gibberish. Um, now we are in this reality. Hmm. Spotska is kind of in the level. Raspatska is at the level. I have the stock and you can short. I think you can now. I'm not sure if you can short on the Apple is there. Scenario plans and monthly continuation of the trend in year. Far, far, far beyond any reasonable rotation point. Yeah, and that's unvolumed spring. They probably would need a test on hourly, what they say. I think it does. Regardless, it's in the wrong place on monthly. Why am I watching it? It's good for short when it comes to the levels. Dr. Pepper continues lower. Uh, BHP. Two trades that I missed. Here was a trade, and here was a trade. Because of course we wouldn't have the correction on daily, and boom, I'd be deep in a profit today in the morning. What I got scared of is the strong approach. However, it's logical that it will bounce. I could have put even like 0.5 like this if I wanted. Clear two trades that I've missed. I think I have a misconception about like this progression thing. It does matter how fast it approaches, how strongly and fast it approaches the level. However, this was a level, this was a volume, this was a volume. And I was also like concerned that it's not like expanded level, but this, but not for long trade. You know what I'm saying? Not for like swing even, but for the quick hour and 5 minute here was great. Two trades I missed. Lesson learned. Yeah, I don't think this is a good idea. It still has space to go. I can also start charting it. Charting it. That was a 1 bar rule. However, we can identify the resisting bar. Like this. There's nothing on daily here that would suggest that this level is all buyer's tail. And even here, all the volume is there. This volume is unvolumed. It did resume. Has it never changed the level? Unvolumed upthrust. This is volumed. Upthrust it needed a test, and test it went higher, and now it's unvolumed. On daily though, this is still bigger. This last hour of the day. It's before 0.5, however, not critically. For short, it's all right. And it's a volume upthrust. Look at this volume. Yeah, in an hour, it is an exhaustion volume. Not even an exhaustion, but reversal correction volume for sure. Yeah, I think since that was missing 0.5, that would be only good if it was something up to here would be fair. So it has to be something short and sweet. Oh, come on. Is it my internet? Okay, finally. Um, yeah. Um, yeah, this of course it's a 1 bar rule. We are now on this thing. TNA. And it closed below, so well, technically it didn't need. It's also like too big of a volume for manipulation on correction. However, it was the earnings, so I think we can discount things for earnings. Just like take it like this. Yeah, maybe this was doable. PM is on volume spring. Some volume, so I can't do anything with it. This was on volume to general dynamics, unvolumed. Maybe when it changes direction, it's all right, even on unvolumed spring. Didn't give us an opportunity regardless. At no point. Yeah, at no point it gave us an opportunity to join the party. Hmm. Yeah. RTX goes lower and changes direction. So, daily watch. This is daily watch. Another trade I didn't take yesterday. Um, because I was. This is not a good setup. I think DT where was it? BHP was like way better than this. It just fell down there. Yeah, no, don't think it was any good. Boom. Because it could have happened this way as well. There's absolutely no guarantee that wouldn't have happened the same way. As it goes there. Either changes direction or gathers additional liquidity. Yeah. We're in this world now in 0.5. This thing went up. Same deal. Are they the same? Oh, it's iShares semiconductor. And this is something else semiconductor. Vanguard. Vanguard has 124 million. Close. They're like identical. Those are daily watches, so let's see our losers gainers very quick. Ooh. Look at this guy. What a freaking drop. Changes direction, so independent approach. Transition extremum. Look at this. Can you freaking believe it? What a drop. Change direction here. Confirmed. And it was in a it was in a balance, trend balance, but this volume was weird and it's in the wrong place on the yearly. But look how beautiful this drop was. Volume T1, 1 bar up thrust. Test for your convenience. And then just this. I'm not gonna map it because I wouldn't trade it because it's in the wrong place on daily, but it totally worked. think it's good. ZTS continues to go lower. What a mess. HD, Home Depot. I was in Home Depot just this weekend. Just doing another deep cleaning of my carpet. When I moved into this place, I did a deep cleaning of the carpet and like the water was black for like 3 hours. It couldn't even get like dark, it was just black. This time around, it was just dark. Maybe third time when I do, I finally get some clean water out of my Toyota motor. Finally drops. This probably should. United Health. Okay. Hmm. Was I not considering a trade here? I was. And look what it does. Uh, everything we need to know about a counter trend trade. And we had another one on the. Wait, this goes to daily watch. And this is a trend trade. Yeah. See the difference? Market is still strong. It pops like violently. Uh, and it's a green day. You see how much green we have on our map? Oh yeah, it's probably, let's see, unvolumed upthrust. Its volume buildup is strange. But yeah, let's put it on a daily watch. It's crazy. And so this is. So yeah, today I'll be mourning over um, over two trades on BHP. Nice and clear. Should have taken both. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. See unvolumed top thrust and it grinds higher. And now it's getting kind of like a buff. This was questionable, like really questionable, but would also work. Not this, but BHP for sure. Mm. Um, yeah, and nothing more because it's like it's a strong approach. So just like 1 hour, only 5 minutes. Should have considered myself like blessed to have that uh, options. Chickened out. It's okay. It's a learning curve, you know. It's a good volume. And Raspatska. It's a good exhaustion volume. And that's about what we have for today. I'm gonna let you go. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. Oh, we'll see how that ends. Knows no one knows anything anyways. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people.